Hello again, it's Noob, and well, we have reached 50,000 subscribers this week. It's absolutely incredible. When I started this channel about 4.25 years ago, I had no idea that I would get this many subscribers. And I know that in terms of YouTube, 50,000 subscribers isn't a lot, but it's a lot to me, and it means an awful lot to me as well. And even though 50,000 subscribers isn't like a massive YouTube channel, the fact is that humanity has spent the best part of 49 years cumulatively watching my videos, and I've had over 5 million views over the 700 or so videos that I've managed to produce in that time. So I just want to say a massive thank you to all of you out there for supporting me, encouraging me, interacting with my channel, commenting, liking my videos, subscribing if you subscribe, just giving me loads of feedback, and it really does help everything kind of like just be so much more fun. I love interacting with the community. I love being part of the community. It's been an amazing 4 and a bit years, it has to be said. Now, this is a first for this channel as well. We actually have a sponsored giveaway. That's right. Vent have, which is a German locksmith tool company, contacted me to see whether they could do something for my 50,000 subscribers. And they set up a Gleam competition. So you just head over to the link, the URL in the description. I think you have to fill in like name and email address, something like that, and then you just visit like either mine or Vent's social media channels. I've got like an Instagram, a Twitter. There's no obligation to like sign up to or subscribe to my channel or anything like that. You know, just have to visit those social media channels. There's a few extra things. There's a secret code embedded in one of the last few videos in the first few seconds as well. So just go back and watch my last 5 or so videos, and you should find a secret code in the first few seconds of one of those. You can enter that as well, or gives you multiple chances to win one of 3 prizes, and they're all the same prize. Vent have supplied or will be supplying the winners with one of these really awesome locksmith pin badges, which I just really like. Just so cool with the little pick and the padlock there, just brilliant. And also one of these novice pick sets, which, there we go, they have, that I did a review on not so long ago either. So that's really nice. So 3 winners should be able to pick up both a pin and a lockpick set just by heading over to that Gleam link and following the rules and the instructions over there. So yeah, I have to give a special thanks to Vent for sponsoring this giveaway. It's always nice to give something back, and you know, it's just really nice that that 3 people can win something. So I think that's really awesome, and a nice little celebration for my 50,000 subscribers. So I mean, that's it for this video. It wasn't going to be a long one. I really just want to say thank you so much for your support. Thank you for being you. Thank you for being part of the community. I've probably learnt so much off you. If I've met you, it's been an absolute pleasure. Yeah, it's just been a real joy being part of the community and doing this channel, and I hope to continue doing it for the years to come. Well, that's me. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.